Hey, Matt here from Remit Media, and today I'm at the DoubleTree El Paso. This 200-room hotel is located in downtown El Paso, close to the Convention and Performing Arts Center and City Hall. Originally built in 1970 as a Holiday Inn, the hotel underwent a significant renovation in 2009, reopening as the DoubleTree by Hilton. The lobby area to this hotel is fairly small, offering elevator access to the rooms, a restaurant, and a small cafe. The Casanova Restaurant offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner. While its specialty is Italian cuisine, I noticed that the breakfast menu had a southwestern twist. It wasn't super crowded, but I didn't try dinner there. I did have breakfast, and it was tasty and well served. They also have a small bar area that was never too busy. The bar is convenient to the hotel, but there are better options nearby. The M Cafe serves Starbucks coffee along with seasonal drinks and sodas. There's also quick bites to eat like local pastries, muffins, and grab-and-go items like sandwiches. The pool, located on the 7th floor, provides breathtaking views of the city. It also boasts a spacious lounging area and a party pavilion, complete with a barbecue and an outdoor bar. I didn't observe this area in use during my visit, and it's uncertain whether you can use it for your own barbecues. For such a large deck area, the pool is nice, but it's rather small. The gym is a fairly standard gym, offering a little bit of exercise equipment and some free weights. It's nothing to brag about, but it does the job. There is a filtered water dispenser here, which is a great place to refill any bottles. The hotel has approximately 6,000 square feet of meeting space, suitable for various events and conferences. But the coolest part is the view from the Franklin Ballroom at the top of the hotel on the 17th floor. The meeting reception area has huge windows that overlook the city and offer an amazing view. There are also a few smaller meeting rooms on the 7th floor. The rooms here are quite spacious. Each room comes equipped with a Sweet Dreams mattress, which was pretty comfortable, a 55-inch television, free Wi-Fi, and an older clock radio. There are ample standard outlets in the room, but unfortunately, there are no USB ports. Additionally, the room provides a safe and a Cuisinart coffee maker. Unfortunately, the room does not include a mini fridge. For the large living space that's provided in the room, the bathroom is rather small and cramped, with next to no counter space. The hotel is clean and convenient to many locations downtown. However, the rooms themselves show considerable wear and tear. The hotel is definitely showing its age and could reasonably go through another remodel soon. The walls are scuffed up, the computer chair looks like it was mauled by an animal, and the safe was locked, and I had to call to get it unlocked. The hotel does have a convenient parking garage with elevators that go directly to the rooms. For people who have a Hilton Honors membership, this hotel is fine. However, there are other hotels in downtown El Paso that are better appointed and have upgraded amenities at a similar price point, such as the Paso del Norte and the Plaza Hotel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you had a different experience at this hotel, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.